This is Rhapsody Clicks, and it's a new day, it's a bright day, it's a beautiful, beautiful day. God is not just interested in what we do, but why we do what we do. What are our motivations? What are our motives? You can do the right thing for the wrong reason or with the wrong reason. Study today's Rhapsody realities and learn how to always do the right thing for the right reasons. And remember, if you're not yet a partner with Rhapsody Realities, today will be a good day to become a partner. And you can also help in distributing Rhapsody Realities by becoming a Rhapsody influencer. Use the link showing below and give today for Rhapsody Realities, and also distribute Rhapsody Realities with your friends. If you've not downloaded the Rhapsody Realities app, go ahead and download it. This is Rhapsody Clicks, and you're going to have a great day. Remember, your next level is a click away. Go ahead, click, click, click. Love you.